So our first topic is about wood. So what is wood? Wood is an organic material with fibers and heterogeneous texture produced from a tree. So wood is one of the oldest building material that's been used by the ancient people. There are two types of wood. First is the hardwood, next is the softwood. Hardwood comes from deciduous trees or trees that having broad leaves and which loses its leaves in the winter. Example: beech, oak, ash, and teak. Softwoods comes from coniferous or cone trees. Example: pine tree, spruce, cedar, fir. So these types of woods are commonly found in the Philippines. First, the Camago. Second is the Ipil. Third, Molave. And the last one is the Nara wood. Common construction products made of wood. Glulam, glued laminated timber, a stress-rated engineering wood beam composed of wood laminations. This timber is also found in the Mactan Cebu International Airport. Next is the plywood, common residential construction material. It's highly resistant to impacts, used in subflooring, single-layer flooring, wall and roof sheathing. Oriented strand board, combination of wood and adhesives, create a strong, dimensionally stable panel that resists deflection. It's basically a strong wood. Cross-laminated timber consists of several layers of lumber boards stacked in alternating directions used for long spans in woods, floors, and roofs. Structural composite lumber, created by layers of dried and graded wood veneers of strands and flakes of wood, with moisture-resistant adhesive into the blocks of material. S3S versus S4. S3S surface three sides board that have been run to a planer, producing three flat, smooth surfaces, while the S4S surface on four sides, a product of having four smooth surface sides. Next is the lumber versus timber. Lumber is basically a wood that's been over 5 inches wide and 5 inches thick regardless of the length. They're mostly used in construction of frames and large structures like buildings and bridges. While lumber is smaller than 5 inches wide and 5 inches thick regardless of the length and primarily used as a residential construction material. Uses of lumber: it can be used in the framings of walls, flooring, ceiling, and hardwood floors. It can be also used as a temporary structure such as scaffolding. In measuring the lumber, board foot formulas will be used. It's basically computing the volume with the use of the dimensions of the wood plank. So the physical properties of wood: density, growth rate, moisture content, and other properties affecting strength. Density, basically higher density, meaning stronger wood. Growth rate, moisture content, when the wood is weak and wet, and it is weak. When the wood is dry, it is strong. Properties affecting strength: slope grain, knots, shakes, and chucks. Mechanical properties of wood: stiffness and elasticity, ability to resist deformation, tensile strength, compressive strength, resist load acting upon its cross-sectional areas, shear strength, building strength, toughness, hardness, and cleavability, or the ability of the wood to split. So there are several tests to determine the mechanical properties. First, the tensile strength: when the wood is being stretched. Impact: when the wood is subjected to impacts. Next, pickers and nook intenders are used to measure hardness. Grinnell Rockwell used for like uses large loads up to 3,000 kilograms on a rough polished surface. Rockwell measures the increase in penetration. Rebound, where the bounce of a ball indicates the resistance to surface deformation, and electronic rebound, which uses the ratio of spring-driven Impact velocity. There are five causes of degradation of wood. First, the fungi, bacteria, insects, sunlight, and moisture. So next topic is about asphalt. So what is an asphalt? Asphalt is a vitamin class hydrocarbon mixture of aggregates, binder, filler, typically having a dark brown and black color. So hydrocarbon, presence of carbon, and it is commonly found in our roads. Now how is asphalt made? First, the aggregates are crushed. Next, they are being stuck to the coalfield beans. Next, they are being dried in the drying drum. Next, they are being collected. And lastly, they are being stored to a storage silo before transporting it in the asphalting of the roads. So kinds of asphalts. First, the hot mix asphalt. Hot mix asphalt are generally produced at a temperature between 150 to 180 degrees. The difference of warm mix asphalt to the hot mix asphalt is it is when the asphalt is only produced at a temperature around 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. So cold mix are used to cover holes and cracks in the roads, minor cracks or minor holes. Next are the asphalt layers. The asphalt wearing cores is where is, is the layer that protects the other asphalt layers. Asphalt binder cores, that it is a layer that resists the shearing stress. The asphalt base cores, one that uh, propagates the the stresses to the other layers. Next, the asphalt mixtures. Asphaltic concrete. See asphalt that has a semi-concrete color. Next, the asphalt concrete for very thin layers. You can see in the picture, the concrete is very thin. Next is soft asphalt. Asphalt that are commonly found in rural areas. Hot rolled asphalt. Asphalt that has been rolled by a roller. Stone mastic asphalt. Presence of stones are found in the asphalt. The mastic asphalt, very dense stones are found in the asphalt. Porous asphalt or the double layer porous asphalt are commonly found in abroad. They're been used in the parking lots in order for the flood to be absorbed by the asphalt to prevent flooding the area. Next, the asphalt for ultra thin layers. You can see only 2 centimeters thickness of the layer in the asphalt. So to ensure the quality of the um, asphalt, consistency, purity of the materials is required, and also the safety of the material to the vehicles or the motorists. Concrete versus asphalt. The main advantage of concrete to the asphalt is their longevity. The concrete lasts longer than compared to the asphalt, but asphalt costs less, while the concrete is very expensive. Concrete 1 to 3 weeks to cure, while the asphalt curing time is only a day or 2 days. Next, concrete is good in warm temperature, while the asphalt is good in cold temperature. Concrete provides design features of the road, while asphalt provides only flexibility of the material. That's all. Thank you.